Creating AI films usually takes a lot more work than it should. Most creators generate every shot one by one, write separate prompts for every scene, and spend hours trying to keep everything consistent. But after testing Google Flow's agent mode, I found a much faster workflow. Instead of creating every shot manually, I used one storyboard, one master prompt, and Google Flow handled the rest. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created a complete AI commercial without writing prompts for individual shots. If you're serious about AI filmmaking and growing a YouTube channel around AI content, this workflow can save you a huge amount of time. Every AI filmmaking project starts with an idea. Sometimes I already know the story I want to create, and other times I look at existing commercials to find inspiration. One of the websites I regularly use is Adforum, where you can explore advertisements from different industries and brands. I also browse Ads of the World and the commercial section on Vimeo because all three platforms have a huge collection of creative ads. They're great places to study storytelling, camera angles, and commercial concepts before starting your own AI project. For this project, I found a funny home improvement commercial on Adforum by Leroy Merlin. The concept was simple but very effective. A woman proudly gives someone a tour of her beautiful house, explaining every little detail as if she's showing it to a close friend. Then right at the end, the camera reveals she's actually talking to a pizza delivery person who looks completely confused and simply says, "Ma'am, I just came to deliver your pizza." The commercial ends with a message about creating homes so beautiful that you can't resist showing them to everyone. I liked how simple and memorable the idea was, so I decided to recreate it using AI. Once I had the concept, the next step was choosing a location. Since the entire joke depends on the house looking premium, I wanted a location that immediately felt luxurious. For that, I opened Pinterest and searched for modern aesthetic bathroom designs. After scrolling through a few references, I found one that perfectly matched the style I wanted. The lighting, materials, colors, and overall atmosphere looked exactly like the visual direction I had in mind, so I used it as the reference for the rest of the project. Now it's time to move into ChatGPT. First, I upload the bathroom reference image. Then I explain the complete commercial idea in detail. I asked ChatGPT to write a funny advertisement where the homeowner proudly shows off every corner of her bathroom, talking about every small detail with excitement. At the end, the pizza delivery boy reveals that he was only there to deliver a pizza, followed by a simple brand voiceover explaining that the company creates homes so beautiful that people can't stop showing them off. Within a few moments, ChatGPT generates the first draft of the script. Honestly, it turned out much better than I expected, and it even added an extra joke at the ending. I made a few small changes, but overall, the structure was already strong enough to use. With the script finished, the next step is building consistent characters. Character consistency is one of the most important parts of AI filmmaking because every scene needs to feel like it's featuring the same people. I asked ChatGPT to create detailed character profiles for both the homeowner and the pizza delivery boy. After generating those descriptions, I asked it to create complete character sheets for each person. The homeowner perfectly matched the premium feeling of the commercial, while the delivery boy looked exactly like the type of character the story required. These character sheets become the visual reference that we'll use throughout the entire project. The final asset I needed before moving into Google Flow was a clean location reference. Using the Pinterest image as inspiration, I asked ChatGPT to generate a bathroom that matched the same design language while fitting naturally with the characters we had already created. The result looked clean, realistic, and perfectly matched the overall style of the commercial. At this point, all the preparation was complete. We had a finished script, consistent character sheets, and a premium location reference. Now it was finally time to move into the most important part of the workflow, planning the commercial inside Google Flow using storyboards and agent mode. Now comes my favorite part of this entire workflow. Normally, this is where most creators start writing separate prompts for every single shot, deciding camera angles, planning movements, and figuring out how each scene should look. But this time, I wanted to see if AI could handle that planning for me. Instead of asking ChatGPT to generate individual prompts, I asked it to convert the entire script into a complete storyboard. This approach saves a huge amount of time and makes the entire filmmaking process much more organized. The first thing ChatGPT does is break the script into individual scenes. Then it creates a detailed shot list explaining what happens in every scene. Once that's finished, I ask it to generate a complete visual storyboard using the script, the character sheets, and the location reference we already created. created instead of getting random AI images. I now have a storyboard that already includes the framing, camera angles, character positions, and the overall flow of the commercial. At this point, I don't have to imagine how the film will look anymore because the entire sequence is already planned visually. With the storyboard complete, there's only one thing left before moving into Google Flow: a master prompt. I asked ChatGPT to combine everything we've created so far into one detailed prompt. That includes the complete script, both character descriptions, the bathroom reference, and the storyboard itself. This master prompt becomes the blueprint for the entire commercial. Instead of giving Google Flow separate instructions for every scene, we're providing all the project information in one place, allowing the AI to understand the complete context before generating anything. Now it's finally time to open Google Flow and create a new project. The first step is uploading every important reference we've prepared. I upload the visual storyboard, both character sheets, and the bathroom reference image. After that, I paste the complete master prompt generated by ChatGPT into Google Flow. At this point, the project already contains everything the AI needs to understand the story, characters, location, and overall visual direction. There's one small step here that makes a big difference. At the end of the prompt, type the @ symbol. Google Flow will automatically display all of the uploaded assets. Now simply tag every reference one by one: the storyboard, both character sheets, and the bathroom reference image. This tells Agent Mode exactly which assets belong to the project. It only takes a few seconds, but it significantly improves consistency because Google Flow now understands which references should be used throughout the entire commercial. Once everything is tagged correctly, make sure Agent Mode is selected before generating the project. This is where the real power of Google Flow becomes visible. Instead of manually writing prompts for every scene, Agent Mode analyzes the storyboard, the uploaded references, and the master prompt together. It automatically generates the individual scene prompts on its own while following the structure we've already planned. This removes one of the biggest bottlenecks in AI filmmaking and makes the workflow much faster. After the first generation is ready, it's time to review the results. The lighting looks natural, the framing follows the storyboard correctly, and the main character stays very close to the original reference. What impressed me the most is that I never wrote a dedicated prompt describing this specific shot. Everything was generated automatically using the storyboard, the uploaded assets, and the master prompt. That's the moment I realized this workflow could completely change how AI commercials are created inside Google Flow. From here, the process becomes very simple. Continue generating the remaining scenes while Agent Mode keeps following the storyboard and references you've already provided. Instead of managing every shot individually, you're allowing Google Flow to handle most of the production automatically, making it much easier to focus on the creative side of filmmaking instead of spending hours writing prompts. In the next part, we'll refine the generated scenes, regenerate imperfect shots, and assemble everything into a complete commercial. Once all the scenes are generated, the production isn't over yet. Export all your generated clips and import them into your preferred video editing software. I personally use CapCut, but you can use any editor you're comfortable with. I go through every generated clip, remove broken frames, trim unnecessary moments, and select the strongest version of each scene. This is exactly why generating multiple variations earlier is so important. Instead of forcing one imperfect clip into the final edit, I can simply replace it with a better version. The more options you generate inside Google Flow, the easier the editing process becomes later. One thing I noticed during editing is how much the storyboard simplified the entire workflow. Since the complete shot sequence was already planned before opening Google Flow, I wasn't spending time deciding what should come next. The structure was already finished. All I had to do was refine the pacing, replace weaker shots, and polish the commercial. That preparation saved a surprising amount of time during post-production. After completing the first edit, I watched the commercial from beginning to end. If you're building a YouTube channel around AI content, this workflow can completely change how fast you produce videos. Less time writing prompts means more time creating ideas, testing different concepts, and uploading consistently. And on YouTube, consistency is one of the biggest factors behind long-term growth. Instead of spending days generating scenes one by one, you can focus on storytelling while Google Flow Agent Mode takes care of much of the heavy lifting. So that's the complete workflow. We started by finding a commercial concept, built the script script with ChatGPT, created consistent characters and location references, converted everything into a storyboard, generated a master prompt, uploaded all the assets into Google Flow, used agent mode to create the entire commercial, refined the best generations, polished the edit, added music, and completed a professional AI advertisement with far less manual work than traditional AI filmmaking. If you're serious about creating better AI videos and growing faster on YouTube, this is one of the most powerful Google Flow workflows you can start using today. If you found this workflow helpful, make sure to subscribe because I regularly share the latest Google Flow tutorials, AI filmmaking workflows, and YouTube growth strategies that help creators produce higher quality content in less time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.